Quick trivia before we start. What is the oldest continuously inhabited urban area in Australia? Stay until the end. Every new year begins with courage, and every country has a place where that courage first took shape. Here in Sydney, that place is the Rocks. Before skyscrapers, before the Opera House, before modern Australia, this was where everything began. Today, we're walking through it with a friend, a Filipino immigrant to Australia who showed us the stories of this historic district and guided us along the streets. Stop 1. Fortune of War. We started our walk with lunch at Fortune of War, Sydney's oldest continuously licensed pub. Serving locals and travelers since 1828. For nearly 2 centuries, people have gathered here. Sailors after long voyages, dock workers after a long day, and now, friends meeting before a heritage walk.
Can you believe people have been drinking here for almost 200 years? Imagine the stories these walls could tell.
Food, conversation, and laughter. This is living history. This is where our journey begins. A short walk from the pub, we stop for coffee and dessert. Founded in 1974, it became part of the Rocks in the early 1990s, but the building itself is heritage listed, part of the historic streetscape. Even a cafe here feels layered with time. Over coffee, our friends shared stories of migration, leaving one country, building a new life in another, and finding a sense of home in a place shaped by generations of arrivals. The Rocks isn't just about who came centuries ago. It's about who continues to arrive today. If you're enjoying this walk through history and culture, subscribe to our channel and join us as we explore heritage around the world. From the cafe, we stepped onto the cobblestone streets. These stones weren't laid by machines. They were carved and placed by hand. Each one carries stories of labor, hardship, and resilience. Almost every country has streets like this. Old quarters, historic alleys, places where time slows down. This is what it feels like to be reliving the past in modern times. You don't rush. You walk slowly. You look around. You listen. Stop 4. Nurses Walk, the first hospital. Named for the nurses who worked at Sydney's first hospital, built soon after 1788. This lane connected staff and patients, many of whom were convicts, to the main street. Walking here, you can imagine the quiet dedication of those early caregivers. Heritage isn't always grand. Sometimes it's the people quietly keeping a city alive. Then we turned into Suez Canal, one of the Rock's most infamous alleys. The lane was narrow, low-lying, and in the 19th century, one of the roughest, most dangerous parts of the Rocks. It was home to gangs, sailors, larrikins, pubs, sly grog shops, and all the shady corners where fights and ambushes took place. Stop 6. Cudman's Cottage. A few steps away is Cudman's Cottage, one of Sydney's oldest surviving buildings. It wasn't a palace. It wasn't grand. It was ordinary life, people working, surviving, building routines. Heritage isn't always about kings or heroes. It's often about the everyday people who quietly shaped a city. From there, we walk down to Circular Quay, where Sydney first began. In 1788, ships arrived at Sydney Cove, carrying people starting over, some by choice, many by force. Today, cruise ships dock here. And across the water rises the Sydney Opera House, one of the world's most iconic landmarks, standing where Australia's story began. History and modern life overlap here, reminding us that the travel is always about courage. From here, it's just a short walk to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Even in the midday sun, it's an impressive sight, spanning the harbor, connecting the old city streets to the modern skyline. You can visit at sunset. The view is stunning, and it's the perfect time to capture Heritage Meeting, one of the world's most iconic skylines. Behind you, old streets, old stones, old stories. Ahead, the city, the future, the next journey. You don't erase the past. You build on it. As the afternoon sun grew stronger, we ducked into the museum nearby. Inside, history is preserved and interpreted. On weekends, the streets come alive with the Rocks Market. Food, crafts, music. Heritage is not frozen. It adapts, evolves, and keeps moving. Starting something new takes courage. Traveling alone takes courage. Rediscovering who you are takes courage. The Rocks reminds us every journey begins somewhere small. One step, one street, one decision to move forward. And sometimes, the best way to begin again is by walking back to where it all began. Trivia answer. The Rocks, Australia's oldest continuously inhabited urban area. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. We love hearing your thoughts and stories.